Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far because we are back shopping at HomeGoods and we're going to go aside, see what we can find this week. Still lots of gardening items, lots of greenery, faux plants. I do like this. I used to have one years ago. I'm not sure what happened to it, but I don't have it anymore. It's $30, but the nice thing about it is that you can use one side as a seat and then flip it over and then use it as a knee pad. And then over here, now I think these would look really great on a front porch. And this could take the weather. It's $50 because it's the plastic wicker. Now there's no drain hole, but I'm sure you could make one if you needed to. And then lots of faux plants. So if you don't have a green thumb, definitely check these out. They are a bit on the pricier side. This is $70. And then over here, these topiaries. Oh, there's two different ones. So you can see one is down on the ground. That one's $80. It's pretty. It's a good size. I know sometimes these artificial plants, they can get expensive, but you don't have to worry about trimming them, watering them. Now the smaller one is $50, but they are pretty. You can see it's on a stand. And these do change every day because every day HomeGoods is getting something new. These flowers are pretty. That one's 15. That one is 20. The roses. And these would look great maybe in the bathroom. You wanted to add some flowers, but maybe they don't get any natural light. See, that one's really pretty. That one is $60. Yeah, that is gorgeous. So it does cost more. And if you're looking for a small one, there's so many different sizes. How much is that one? Oh, $13. See, that one's cute. That would look nice on a nightstand, a side table. The back over here, some of these are on clearance already. That one is on clearance for $40. Oh, that's still pricey. But you can see like the different bases, different flowers. And then this one is in a basket for $30. This is actually really cute with Easter coming up. You can see the eggs. That was pretty. And then over here, the daisies in a daisy pot. Oh, that's adorable. $17. Okay, that's not a bad price. And then up here, the ceramic bunnies. Oh, that is cute. That one is $35. That's not a bad price for the size of it. And then over here, this one is about $20. And the eggs, oh, that's cute. That was $17 with the faux tulips. And then some of their Valentines, or actually probably all of their Valentines, is on clearance. Well, except for the boots. And let's see what else we could find. And sometimes some things get on the cart that's not on clearance, so definitely make sure to look for the red tag. But there's some cute items. You can save these for next year, like the napkins for $2. And so many beautiful, beautiful ceramic bunnies. Look at this one. Blue with the gold. That was $20. I still don't know why they have to put the price at the bottom. There's some really cute Easter items. And there are so many. Oh, I like this. I thought it was a nutcracker. It's not. It's just a statue. I'm going to try to grab it. See if I can get it safely. I'm really curious about the price. There's so many pieces. See this one right there at the neck, $20. It's a perfect placement for a price tag over here. Oh, those are cute. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up. That's what I did. This one is $35. It's such a good size. Gently put it back. There we go. I'm always so slow picking up these items because if you go too fast, you're going to break something. Now, these are just so cute. These are pretty good size too. Okay, this is actually really cute. I like the jacket. And here's a perfect place for the price tag, $25. There's some good pricing if you're looking for any Easter decor, or if you collect rabbits, if you like bunnies. I mean, there's so many. This is probably the most I have seen. I've been shopping at HomeGoods for years, but I don't think I remember this much Easter. This egg is actually really pretty. That was $15. And they get picked over so fast. See, these are really cute. Oh, this one over here with the teacup. And I love my teacups, $17. Okay, that's not a bad price. But you can see there's so many pieces. Okay, this one is really cute with the teacups. That one is $15. Not a bad price. I'm good. I got a couple of them this year, and I haven't even opened up my Easter items. And if you're looking for a wreath, that one is about $20. They have some cute ones. Getting ready for springtime. Oh, and the eggs. If you collect eggs, I have one friend who does collect the eggs. There's so many pretty ones. And that one is $13. Some of them do light up. There's just so many cute items. This one almost looks like it could be in the garden, like a garden statue. It's very lightweight, $13. So you know it's hollow, but it would look great on a porch. And the St. Patrick's Day items. This is glass. That one is $13. Now these mugs are actually really pretty. These are definitely hand wash. Do not place in the microwave, but $6 if you're looking for a St. Patrick's Day mug, or if you like clovers, or if you like green, definitely check these out. This was a double wall for $10. The double wall mugs can get expensive. So there's some cute items. And then over here, see, I think a lot of times with Easter, you could also just use it like for spring. That one is $10. It looks like it's a butter dish. Now, I know I don't need any mugs, but this one was cute with a bunny on the handle. That is adorable. It's a good size mug, $5. And if you ever need any mugs, HomeGoods have so many. They have them on the end cap, and there's just so many different ones. Now, this is a cute little dish. It looks like another butter dish. Let's see the price. That one is $8. There's some pretty dishes. Oh, I know we checked out the pictures a while back, but the teacup has caught my attention back there. And here's another one. This one has the bunnies. Oh, I like that blue trim. That one is $17. That's not a bad price. And it's about a medium size. Here's another bunny dish, butter dish, $8. Or you don't have to put butter in it. You can place anything you want. I grabbed a teapot. I love the handle. It's really, really pretty, this trim. That one is $17. But I do have a bunny teapot. I just have to get my Easter items out. Look at this plate with the embossed bunnies. Here's another teapot. Oh, a couple of them actually. There's actually quite a few. If you're having like a spring tea party. And then a lot of the Peter Rabbit items. We saw a few last week, the canisters. Now if you're looking for a spring cream and sugar set, now they are sold separately, $6 for the cream. And then this one, $6 as well. Oh, this is really pretty. Slowly try not to bump anything. I love that blue edging. That is so beautiful. And they're so pretty, but once you place a cake on it, you're really not going to see like the bunnies on the inside, but you will see the bottom. And that one is $20. Or you can have pastries on top. Oh, this is cute. The little strawberries. This is your creamer. $6. I kind of like that they are sold separately because maybe you just want a little container for sugar or for something else. And this one is $6 as well. I know it's kind of hard to see. $5.99. Oh, those are cute. But they are kind of like in the back. I'll lift this one. That one is $10. So another butter dish. No shortage of butter dishes or pitchers. We saw the blue with the strawberries a couple of weeks ago. I like the size of it. Oh, they have a big one as well. And the blue and white dishes, we have the blue floral. These are actually really cute. So we found another teapot. And this is $13. Oh, that's not a bad price. Now, if you're needing mugs, if you just want one, these are $5 each. Very lightweight. I was expecting it to be heavy, like this dish. And this one is $5. Oh, that's great for pasta. Oh, this was really pretty. So if you want to mix and match, you could definitely do that. That was also $5. So lots of different pieces to the set. These mugs have definitely sold down. They're $5 each. There's only 2 left. But with this set, they've actually added this canister. And that is pretty. That one is $10. Oh, I like how they've added the gold flatware. So that one is $15 for 12 pieces if you just need forks and spoons, or if you need a whole set. The Bombay Company, I remember that store. I actually still have a few pieces from that store, and that was years ago. If you are a fan of Coca-Cola, these little shot glasses are adorable. Those are $8. They actually have quite a few of these shot glasses, or if you're looking for smaller ones. So this is a set of 6. They almost look like the stemless wine glass. You can see right here. And those are about $5 for a set of 6. It's not a bad price. And there's definitely quite a few. So if you're looking for the classic, those are about $5 for a set of 6. And here again from the Bombay Company, the double wall mugs. It's a set of 2 for $10. Oh, there's a couple of different styles. And then the glass with the wood top with the glass straws. Now I'm looking for a couple more tablecloths. I really like this one. It's $20. Has a really cute ruffle edge. But for my round table, I have one very similar to this. It doesn't have the ruffle edge, but for my big dining table, see, I think this would work. See, I love that little ruffle. But I need, this is a 60 by 84. I need this size, 60 by 102. So $25. I'm definitely going to pick that one up. And then for my round table, I like this one for $20. I do collect tablecloths because I like to switch them out from time to time. And honestly, like every week, I always have like a different one, kind of keep changing it up. And that's the nice thing about tablecloths is that in your home, you could definitely change up the theme just quickly with the tablecloth. Now over here, the baking, we have our Easter sprinkles or springtime sprinkles for $5. If you're looking for the paper cups, maybe for muffins or cupcakes, $4. That is really cute. I like the scallop edge. Now when it comes to canisters, there's some really good ones right now. I've gotten some cute ones here at HomeGoods. I don't need any, but these are adorable. $17. And then up here, the full glass. Or if you're needing some of these, the glass jars with the lids, $5. Oh, they have quite a few. If you are wanting to do any canning, I'm not sure if these would be perfect for canning because you can't seal that top. $2.50, but if you like the looks of them, yeah, definitely check those out. See, this is a cute set. 3 of them for $10. That's not a bad price. And this is another good one for $10. And then over here, oh, I like that it has the tray. This is great for coffee. If you have whole beans, maybe ground coffee, $13. I saw a set very similar. It was $30 on Amazon. So this is actually a really good deal. Here's another set of 2. And for $5, or for loose tea. But that is really pretty. And then this porcelain bowl set, not porcelain, actually just ceramic. But those are cute. They have the lids. And for $13. If you collect Stanley cups with the handle, see the price of this one. This is 30 ounces, $17. I know they could get expensive if you're looking for a springtime one. Or the Yeti. The Yeti's a good brand. This is 35 ounces for $25. Here's another one in yellow. This one's 17. So there's some different sizes. This one's 15. That one has a handle on top. So definitely check these out. Look at all of them. Wow, I was surprised to see so many. If you're looking for a glass simmer pot, HomeGoods has them for a really good price. We have a couple different sizes. So the small one, $13. I always see these on social media. They're adding cinnamon, cloves, and oranges, maybe some rosemary. They'll let them simmer so the aroma could, go through the home. This one is $25. And then we have this one here, no price at the bottom. This is actually on the lid for $20. Well, everyone, we're going to head on out. I'm grabbing a couple tablecloths. Thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.